Welcome to another KC Life Adventures video. We are really excited because today we're going to check out houseboats in Utrecht. You can see them behind me. They're all over the city, and we're going by bike, so we're cycling all through Utrecht to find the nicest and coolest houseboats. So we hope that you will enjoy the video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Shoot! Look at that. That is a cruise ship and it's called Tauk.
But this was just a very random person.
Can you wait till I finish celebrating about this cruise ship first? Huh? Shoot! MS Esprit. Look at that. What? I think the black one. It's a whole bike. Shit. Nice. A bike, and another bike. This is more of the stuff we found in there. Wow. How did we find such in?
I bet the tools in house as well.
This one also. Yeah, man. How do you find such stuff inside? We go straight, huh?
Yeah, we go straight.
Straight? Oh. You're saying straight, man. Those are the houseboats. Well, you can't see them. Too bad. So someone lives in that house, literally.
Yes.
It's an underground house.
I'm not sure whether they have space
What?
underwater as well.
It's a beautiful house.
Houseboats are all over the Netherlands. In total, the Netherlands count 12,000 houseboats. The city with the most people living on water is Amsterdam, with 2,400 houses on water. Most boathouses have their own water and electricity supply. A lot of the houses are built on poles and are not able to move. Some people live in an actual ship that is made into a house. The benefit for those people is that they can take their home anywhere. Are you enjoying the cycling?
Yes, Bana. I am enjoying riding by the houseboats. Yes. Oh, is that? Those are an old lady. She's been carried on the bike carrier. Nice. Another boathouse.
Living on a boat doesn't come easy. Storms, snow, and ice all give their own challenges. On the other hand, living on the water is peaceful, and a lot of houseboat owners play water sports. There are several special houseboats in the Netherlands. In Amsterdam, one boat is made into a museum. There are houseboats that are restaurants, bed and breakfasts, and there are students who have made a houseboat into their clubhouse. And these are just a few examples.
Then that one is nice. Oof. That's literally a boat. Lola. Nice. It is, yeah. Surprised. Are there street dogs here? Stray dogs? So that's someone's dog?
Yes.
Okay. I like the way you're confident. You're like, nope. Yes. Nope. Graffiti on the wall.
We don't know exactly when people started to live on houseboats, but from all documents it is clear that as early as in 1652 people were already living in houseboats in Amsterdam. Since the 1950s it has become more and more common.
Yes, the first day I got to the Netherlands, this is the joint I came to. It's called Kama Kebab, and they don't sell meat. They just sell some good stuff. It's a very nice place. Kama Kebab. Yeah, but it was at night. I wouldn't even remember. Oh, because I was like, the boat houses, I thought it was someplace far. It was just here. Are you having fun? I am having fun. Are you having fun?
I'm having so much fun.
All right, thank you so much for watching. Those were the boat houses, and hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and there's a Tesla coming. What's up? See you in the next video. Peace out. Tesla, baby. Tesla, Tesla. Oh, see you on the right first. Tesla, baby. See you in the next video.